Come on, go into the water. So this is a second pool, which is higher up from where we were before. This is where we were before. And now we walk forward. And the kids are going into the pool. Look at the view up above. It's just wonderful. It's one of the places I would really love to have a house. I don't know if it'll be possible someday, but these houses here are very expensive, of course. But there are other simpler houses in the city that are much cheaper. In any case, we can come and visit Fernando, and that's a great blessing as it is. Vem cá!